Good morning, students. My name is Deepmala Kushes. I am here for a discussion about unit number 4 of computer architecture, chips and ECE. Here, today we will discuss about memory organization in computer architecture. So, what memory means? What memory is? Memory, we learn the things due to our memory. We keep the facts and figures and information about the events which happen in our life due to the memory which resides in our brain. In the same way, CPU also needs memory. So in computer, the data and information is stored in memory and it plays a very vital role in computer organization. So let's understand about this memory in more detail. First, I would like to introduce the term memory. As we all know what memory is, but still I would explain it in more technical terms. Like a memory unit is a collection of storage units or devices together. The memory unit stores the binary information in the form of bits. Generally, memory or storage is classified into categories. First is volatile memory and other one is non-volatile memory. This is permanent storage. Actually, we all know what volatile and non-volatile memory is. It is a basic classification of memory. We all know volatile memory is that kind of memory where data is lost when power is switched off. So we need non-volatile memory. On the other hand, non-volatile memory is that kind of memory where data is not lost when power is switched off. Hence, we can call it permanent storage. So this is basic classification of memory on the basis of its retency, how much it can retain the data in its memory. Now let's understand different kinds of memory and its hierarchy. Memory is of many types and its hierarchy is represented in the form of a pyramid. Here we can see that there are various kinds of memory like register memory, cache memory, main memory, magnetic disk, magnetic tape. And in this pyramid, these memories are arranged in such a way that magnetic tapes are kept at bottom and then magnetic disk, then main memory, then cache memory and register memory. We all know magnetic disk and magnetic tapes together are called auxiliary memory and then main memory is also called primary memory. Here we arrange these memory in the form of pyramid where the arrow represent the order of acid time ratio. What this means? It means that magnetic tape is capped at the bottom because the time taken by magnetic tape in which data is capped, we have to access that particular data and this data will take maximum time. Hence, if we want to search for any data, if we see it in magnetic tapes, it will take more time and then in the same way for magnetic disk main memory and as we go up to register memory, this time became less and less. In this way, we can arrange these kinds of memory in the form of a pyramid. The total memory capacity of a computer can be visualized by hierarchy of the memory hierarchy system consists all storage devices contained in a computer system from slow auxiliary memory to fast main memory and to smaller cache memory. Auxiliary memory access time is generally 1000 times that of main memory, hence it is at the bottom of the hierarchy. The main memory occupies a central position because it is equipped to communicate directly with the CPU and with auxiliary memory devices through input-output process. When the program not residing in the memory is needed by CPU, they are brought in from the auxiliary memory. And the programs not currently needed in main memory are transferred into auxiliary memory to provide space in main memory for other programs that are needed. We can correlate it with daily life experiences, like the things we need most of the time we like to cap them in the front rows, and those things which are not needed so frequently are kept in um, lines behind the front row, right? In the, or we can say in the last row. In this way, data is also kept in the computer system. All right. Now, memory access method. Memory access method. Each memory type is a collection of numerous memory locations. To access data from any memory, first it must be located and then data is read from the memory location. Following are the methods with information from memory location. Number one is random access memory. Main memory are random access memories in which each memory location has a unique address. As the name suggests, random access, it means that we can access data in a random way. Sequential access. Sequential access method, what we do, we have to apply a sequence. We search for the data in a particular sequence. All right. In the case of direct access, the information is stored in tracks and with each track having a separate read write head. In this way, we can get the direct access to the data we are searching for. Now, we all are aware of the main memory, but still, I would like to give some key points about main memory. The memory unit, which communicates directly with the CPU, auxiliary memory, and cache memory, is called main memory. It is the central storage unit of computer system. It is a large and fast memory used to store data during the computer operation. Main memory is made up of RAM and ROM, with RAM intricated circuit chips holding the laser shape. Random access memory RAM. What is RAM? RAM is of many kinds: dynamic RAM, static RAM, and non-volatile RAM. So, what is dynamic RAM? Dynamic RAM is consists of capacitor and transistor. It must be refreshed every 10 to 100 milliseconds, and it is slower and cheaper than SRAM. And SRAM, which stands for static RAM. Static RAM has six transistor circuits in each cell, and it retains data until power off. NVRAM, non-volatile RAM. It retains its data even when power is turned off. Its example is flash memory. Okay, now let's move towards ROM. What is ROM? ROM stands for read-only memory. It is non-volatile and is more like a permanent storage of information. It is also stores bootstrap loader program to load and start the operating system when the computer is turned on. We can have different kinds of ROM, like ROM, EEPROM, EEPROM, etc. ROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. EEPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory, and EEPROM stands for Practically Erasable ROM. I think this is enough for today. We will discuss much things about this in next video. Thank you.